Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious oatmeal cookies for weight loss. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 ripe banana, a 1/4 cup of nut butter, and 1 egg. These simple swaps make a huge difference, providing fiber and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's an easy way to enjoy a sweet treat without guilt. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, mash your ripe banana until smooth. Then, add the 2 cups of rolled oats, a 1/4 cup of your favorite nut butter, and 1 egg. Mix everything together until well combined. Spoon the mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, forming small cookies. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes or until golden brown. Want to make these cookies even better? Feel free to customize them. A dash of cinnamon or a teaspoon of vanilla extract can really elevate the flavor. You can also add a tablespoon of chia seeds or a few dark chocolate chips for extra texture and nutrients. Once cooled, store your cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days or freeze them for longer enjoyment. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and healthy oatmeal cookie recipe perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a sweet treat while supporting their weight loss goals. These cookies are packed with fiber and good-for-you ingredients, keeping you energized throughout the day. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. We'd love to hear your favorite healthy cookie variations in the comments.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.